What's up, fam? Welcome to another edition of the Grilling Oasis. Today, I'm going to show you all how to make smoked chicken salad. And basically what I did was we did a whole chicken, and we had some leftover breasts and stuff. So I just kind of split it up like I did, and we get into a chicken salad. And we're going to use our 4 basic seasoning like we always do. You check the blog for that. That way you'll know. We just basically took the chicken off, and then we just sliced it, make it a little fine, and then we're gonna season it with our 4 favorite seasonings. So let me season it up right quick. All right, so we put in our 4 favorite seasonings. Got everything looking nice. All right, I did some eggs, so I boiled some eggs. So I'm gonna peel the eggs and cut them up in there. And then we're going to add some mayonnaise, some sweet pickle relish, a little bit of mustard, and we're going to stir it up. We're going to see how it turns out. So let's peel the eggs now. So we got our 4 eggs that we peeled. So now we're going to chop the eggs up in there. And then after we do that, we're going to stir it up just a little bit before we add in the other ingredients. All right, so you can see how we got everything now mixed up really well. We just went through and we just kind of sliced it up as we did it. We probably had 2 chicken breasts. Basically is what this was. And so once we did that, got it chopped up real nice and fine. I put 4 eggs in there. Chopped up the 4 eggs as you saw. So now we're gonna put some mayonnaise in it. All right, fam, so what I did was I put in about 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise and 2 teaspoons of pickle relish. And we're gonna do a squirt of mustard, and then we're gonna stir it up. So you see the squirt of mustard on top of the mayonnaise. And we're gonna stir it up, and then we're gonna see it come to life. So I like to use a fork to stir it up, to go through like that, kind of bring it all together to one side, then we'll take it back to the next side. I don't really like a real runny salad, so you can kind of see my mayonnaise that I use is just right for me. See that? So we'll put this on some crackers, and we'll be able to use it with a sandwich if you want to make a sandwich out of it. All right, fam. So there you have it, smoked chicken salad. We use just basic ingredients: mayonnaise, sweet pickle relish, 4 eggs, and some chicken that we chopped up. That's gonna be good right there. All right, family. See you next time on the Grilling Oasis.